So for today's video, I wanted to sit down and do something a little more creative. I wanted to play with some bright colors. I wanted to do something kind of out of the box, something that I'm not used to doing, something that isn't like the usual tutorials that I have been posting. I found inspiration from this flower that I have in my backyard. This is an orange lily, and I figured I don't normally play with those kinds of colors like oranges and yellows and reds. I wanted to do something along those lines, something inspired from that flower. Just looking through my palettes and my eyeshadows, and I have a couple here that I'm probably going to use. I have my NYX palette right here, which has these oranges and this red in it, and then these yellows down here. And I also have this NYX single right here. And the other two palettes that I found were this old LA Colors palette. I actually did a Thanksgiving look with this palette, I believe 2 years ago. If you guys want to see that look, I will link it right up here. But this also has the same kind of colors in it. And then of course the Lemonade Craze palette, which has this yellow in it. Not too entirely sure if I'm going to use this palette because I do want to play with these colors in a different tutorial. I also did a neutral look with this palette, so if you want to see that video, I will link it right up here. I have no idea what I'm going to do or where I'm going to start. I do know that I am going to start with my eyes since I am playing with bright colors. I don't want to worry about getting the fallout all over my face. I have my eyes prepped, and I just used my Fit Me Concealer. I think since the inner flower is yellow and the outer is red and orange, I think I'm going to maybe start with the yellow and put that in my crease. I'm going to go in with this yellow right here, and this is just the regular Wet n Wild crease brush. Just going to buff this into my crease. I did a yellow look before. I will post the picture right up here so you guys can see it. And I actually kind of really liked it. I didn't make a video on it because I was just playing around. That's actually when I first got my NYX palette. I think I'm going to bring it out this way. A little bit more this side and bring it out. To darken it up a little bit more, I'm going to go in with this second color right here. I'm actually going to take a smaller brush because I don't want to lose the yellow. So I'm going to put this color right under it, closer to my crease. I'm just bringing it out with that same yellow. I'm bringing the colors up pretty high because I think I might do a cut crease. So I want to make sure these colors are pretty high. To darken up the crease just a tad bit more, I'm going to go in with this color right here, and I'm taking it on a tiny little dome brush. I'm placing it right in the center. So I like how those colors together, so I think I'm going to start on the cut crease. Cut crease, I'm just going to use my Younique concealer, and I'm going to use this little brush right here. Just put some of that on the back of my hand. Okay, so since I lost a lot of the orange when I did my cut crease, I'm going to go back in with the yellow, and I am going to bring up the yellow closer to my eyebrow. I'm just going to layer the same colors I did before right at the top of the crease. Right at the top of the crease, I am placing this yellow color, or this dark orange color. You can see it's already starting to make a line by itself. So I'm going to blend that out. I think now I'm going to go in with this NYX Hot Singles, and this is in the color Bad Seed. I'm going to put some of this just on the outer portion. It kind of goes from a red to a orange, and just blend. I think for my eyelid I'm going to go in with a loose eyeshadow, and this is the LA Colors Shimmering Loose Eyeshadow, and this is in the color Sunshine. You see it's pretty glittery. I'm just going to pack this all over the lid. Brush any of the excess away. This loose powder does stick to your face. I'm just going to go back in with the red. Buff this out a little bit. So since the little things in the middle of the flower, I completely forgot what they're called, but they are black, I am going to do some dotting in the inner corner of my eye, and I think up here, and I may do a wing, I'm not too sure. And I am just using my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in jet black. I think I'm just going to put 3 here. Instead of doing a wing, I think I'm going to do some black dotting in the outer. I feel like these ones are smaller. Before I finish up my eyes, I am going to jump off camera, finish the rest of my face, and then I am going to apply some eyelashes, and then I'll be back to finish up the eyes. I was off camera, I did my entire face, and I used the same products that I used in my last video. Applied my eyelashes, and I added some of this white pencil to my waterline. I do not know what this is called, obviously, because I have used it so much. Now I'm going to finish up the lower lash line, and I am going to go into this shade right here. Apply that all over the bottom. Going back into this little NYX single eyeshadow, I am going to put this on the outer corner of my eye just to darken it up, and I'm going to bring it right up. To finish off my face, I'm going to go into my Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going to pick up this color right here, which is called Lyra. I'm going to put this all over my cheekbones, up around my eyebrow, my cupid's bow, down my nose, and on the tip of my nose. My lips, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild lipstick. This is new, I haven't used it yet, and this is in the color Honolulu is Calling. It's an orange, and I thought it would just go perfect with this makeup. Ooh, that is bright. So that is it, you guys, for this Lily inspired makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did recreating it. I definitely am going to be doing more videos like this in the future. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite flower is. If you are new to my channel and would like to subscribe, there will be a link at the end of the video, and then there will be the subscribe link down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hot lordy lordy. Gives my teeth look light. I wonder if I should go to the grocery store like this. It's just, I got lipstick on my shirt. Now I gotta do the outro. Okay, serious. Hey, look at that, my nails even match it. Heh, I didn't plan for that one. I have glitter in my hair. Gosh darn you, LA colors. Well, that is really close up. I think my eyelash is falling off.